want to record a little walk home to let you guys see how pretty it is. This is Barcelona. There's little playgrounds like this for the kids all over the city. There's trees, lots of trees. And there's lots of these little seating areas. The old buildings, the buildings are super pretty. And then the cyclists are in the middle of the street, and then there's one way on the cars on each side of the cyclist, and this is all pedestrians. People with doggies, but you don't see any doggy poo-poo anywhere. People are very respectful. I like it. Beautiful.
If you want to come back later, I'll bring you. Stop now. All of this, I remember walking by, cute comic, anime, like all of that stuff. I know, but I
Oh,
just
little
think
flower and coffee shop. Aww. So cute. Have you noticed that people don't have their phone out here? Another little flower shop here. People don't have their phones out here. They sit on the terrace and they actually talk to each other. It's very refreshing, to say the least. Very refreshing. And there are very few fat people here. Very few.
How's your good ass watching
The portions are much smaller here, and people walk everywhere. But there's very few large people here, very few, especially on the local side. The ones that you see that are big usually speak English. So they're probably American tourists or UK tourists. See terraces everywhere. And this is our queue over there. This round flower thing here. That's our cue to turn because our Airbnb is to the right. Look how pretty. Literally trees everywhere. All the buses are electric. So the public transport system is all electric here. There's no gas buses. Ain't that interesting? I think it's great, personally. Anyhow, cheerios, y'all!